Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today we're gonna talk about this smart robot toy that this brand sent to me for this video. That I have to say that is really, really cool. Not only because all the features it has right here with the remote controller, but also because it is touch sensitive. It is super intuitive and easy to use, and you can just recharge the battery infinite times, like infinite times, actually in infinitive. You can just recharge it via USB and just make sure that you don't need to use like a ton of battery or something like that. For young kids, this one is going to be really, really fun to use because you can actually teach them how to use it, and then you can teach them how to behave regarding kind of like how they're behaving. Like, for example, this one actually pleased the owner. This one actually grants the owner, let's say, like, I don't know, let's say that your kids did something good. You can just let the dog actually tell them that they did something good. That is actually really, really sweet and really cool. It is, again, everything with the remote controller. So let's actually take a look at it. But of course, it is also touch sensitive. So that is really cool also as well. I'm probably going to put it in the floor so you can see better. But now let's actually turn it on. That is so cool. It's so awesome. Let's actually put it in the floor. Okay, I wanted you to see my cat over there. And this one, if you don't do anything, it's gonna start doing things by itself. But then also you can just like move it, for example, with the remote controller. Let's actually go to the other way, just like that. And then go, you can see just check my cats over there. They're trying to see what's happening here. So you can do everything with the remote controller. And they also have so many other options. For example, let's stop right here and then let's go back just like that. Okay, let's stop. One more time, one more time, one more time. Okay. And then you can do this. It's kind of like a dance or something like that. By the way, you can lower the volume if you also want. And then you have so many other things. So let's actually change the mode right now. And let's do the music thing. Okay, she's coming. This is so cool. Dun, 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 dun. And then stop. That's it. And then you can do so many other things. Like, for example, just interactive with the whole thing. And remember, it's also touch sensitive. So if you touch it, it's gonna be okay. Stop right now. And then and it rolls over. That is so awesome. Okay, let's stop right now. We have one more. Let's go. This is so cool. Okay, one more time. This thing is super fun to play with the kids, or if you want to just like teach him how to use it and teach it how to behave with him, kind of like an interactive pet, you can do it as well. This thing is really, really cool.